434 light-years from the Earth, exist a super Saturn. If we could replace our Saturn's rings with these rings, they would be easily visible from Earth. Even, we should be able to capture it in our selfies, as it will look much bigger than our moon. So what's more, scientists discovered a star and named it J1407. And in 2007, they observed that the star suddenly starts blinking. It was strange for the scientists. And it was first time in history that they observed a blinking star. After a long observation, they found that there exists a planet which have huge rings around it. And when light passes through the gaps of the rings, stars seem to blinking. Then they named that planet J1407b. But this ring planet looks like our Saturn, that's why we also call it Super Saturn. Super Saturn rings are 200 times larger than our Saturn. Our Saturn's ring is stretched only about 28,420 kilometers in diameter. Whereas, Super Saturn have 30 rings, which are stretched around 120 million kilometers. That's huge. But, because Super Saturn is only 16 million years old, which means it is still a young planet, scientists think maybe the rings are not stable like our Saturn's ring. And one day, these rings may come together to form a moon of that planet. And if not, it will remain the biggest ringed planet known to humans. Hit the like button and please subscribe for more videos.